feels cold and dry. You lift my spirit to the sky. Every heartbeat finds its way as I pray. Gentle footsteps in the light. You walk with me through every night. Every worry fades away as you stay. Your presence calls my name, ignites a holy flame. Every fear is gone by your dawn. Garden of glory, soft and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Garden of glory, calm and pure. In your love I feel secure. Lead me where you stand, held within your hand. shadows crowd my view. Your holy presence pulls me through. Every moment wrapped in fear disappears in the stillness of your grace. Your glowing mercy fills the space. Every part of me revived, you provide. Your light breaks through the night, restoring what's not right. Every dark place by your grace. River light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. River of light, deep and clear, wash away my doubt and fear. Guide my every step. In your love I'm kept. When my strength begins to fade, your gentle radiance invades every tremble in my soul. You console through the quiet of the dawn. Your holy glow keeps shining on. Every wound begins to mend. You defend. Your light breaks through the night, restoring what's not right. Every dark erased by your grace. River of light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. River of light, deep and clear, wash away my doubt and fear. Guide my every step. In your love I'm kept. Let your glory shine, flow through every line. Lead me by your grace, light this place. River of light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. River of light, deep and clear, wash away my doubt and fear. Guide my every step. In your love I'm kept. River of light, shine through me. River of light. Heart of heaven, draw me near. When the world pulls me apart, you gather pieces of my heart. Every moment lost in pain fades again. In the quiet of your truth, your holy love restores my youth. Every burden I once knew falls from view. Your presence lifts my soul, makes every broken whole. All my fears undone by your Son. Heart of heaven, warm and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I find in you feels brand new. Heart of heaven, calm and true, let my spirit rest in you. Hold me through the night, shine your perfect light. When my hope is wearing thin, your gentle mercy draws me in. Every tear I couldn't hide dries inside. You remind me who I am, a child held in the great I am. Every weakness you replace with your grace. Your presence lifts my soul, makes every broken whole. All my fears undone by your Son. Heart of heaven, warm and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I find in you feels brand new. my soul. You speak a truth that makes me whole. Every shadow melts away as you stay. In the silence, soft and pure, your holy presence reassures. Every trembling fear I hold turns to gold. Your whisper calls my name, releases every chain. All my doubts erased by your grace. Whisper of holiness, calm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep, guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your When the world is loud and wild, your peace surrounds me like a child. Every fear begins to fade as you stay. You restore the tired mind and breathe your hope through every line. Every wound begins to heal. You are real. Your whisper calls my name, releases every chain. All my doubts erased by your grace. Whisper of holiness, calm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep, guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your Let your presence stay, guide me day by day, hold me close and true. I belong to Whisper of holiness, calm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep, guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your Whisper of holiness, follow me. Whisper of holiness. restores what dark has stolen. Every tear released in your peace. Fountain of peace, so soft and bright, fill my heart with holy light. Every drop that reaches me sets me free. Fountain of peace, deep and clear, wash away my every fear. In your love I stand, safe within your hand. Let your waters rise, healing where I lie. Guide my every breath, life from death. Fountain of peace, so soft and bright, fill my heart with holy light. Every drop that reaches me sets me free. Fountain of peace, deep and clear, wash away my every fear. In your love I stand, safe within your hand. Fountain of peace, flow through me. Fountain of peace. Light of heaven, shine on me. When the night is cold and long, your quiet presence keeps me strong. Every shadow fades from sight in your light. Gentle whispers fill the air. I feel your love already there. Every heartbeat starts to rise, sanctified. Your glory breaks the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. All my doubts undone by your Son. Light sleeping heart, all my doubts undone by your son. Light of heaven, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every moment that I breathe, I believe. Light of heaven, warm and true, let my spirit rest in you. Lead me through the night with your shining light. Let your radiance flow everywhere I go. In your love I stay. Guide my light of heaven, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every moment that I breathe, I believe. Light of heaven, warm and true, let my spirit rest in you. Lead me through the night with your shining light. Light of heaven, shine on me. Light of heaven. Waves of glory fall on me as the morning finds my soul. Your gentle presence makes me whole. Every whisper, soft and clear, says I'm here. Through the silence of the sky, your holy love begins to rise. You send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. All my doubts release in your peace. Waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you. heart, every weakness that I know. You overflow. In the stillness I can feel every wound begin to heal. All you are and all you give makes me live. You send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. All my doubts released in your peace. Waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Waves of glory, soft and deep, hold my heart when I can't sleep. Every time you sing makes my soul ascend. Let your presence flow everywhere I go. In your love I stand, safe within your waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Waves of glory, soft and deep, hold my heart when I can't sleep. Every time you sing makes my soul ascend. Waves of glory fall on me. Waves of glory. Whispers of glory fall on me. When the night is closing in, your tender presence calms my skin. Every shadow in my soul loses hold. In the quiet of the dawn, your holy whisper Your gentle love begins to form. Every tear that falls tonight meets your light. You revive the heart within. You break the chains of fear and sin. Every broken part restored by my Lord. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what was old. All my doubts decrease by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make held for heaven's sake. Let your presence stay. Guide me every day. Hold me when I'm weak. Hear me speak. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make held for heaven's sake. Whispers of glory, follow me. Whispers of glory. Breath of grace. Breath of grace. Fill me now. When my heart is faint and weak, your gentle voice is what I seek. Every moment, every sigh, you are nigh. Through the silence of the night, your presence brings a holy light. Every burden starts to fall at your call. Your spirit moves within, restoring me again. Every fear erased by your grace. Breath of grace, so soft and true, fill my soul and make it new. Let your kindness overflow. feel your mercy everywhere. Every shadow fades away as I pray. You revive what's lost inside. Your healing waters gently guide. Every wound begins to mend.